Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how to cancel your Evernote subscription. So follow these steps. Pretty simple. When you are obviously you need to be logged in on your Evernote profile. Then what you will do? Um, Navigate here down on the left bottom side to your name, click on it, and you will see here account info. Click on that. After it loads up, account info, you will see here on the left side billing. So click on that. And if you have a subscription here, you will have button here, cancel your subscription. Click on that. When you click on that, you will need to provide a reason and clicking cancel subscription. After you do that, uh, you will receive an email confirmation once your cancellation is successful. And this is pretty much it, how you can do that. But cancellation will stop future automatic renewals, but your subscription remains active until the end of the current billing cycle. So if you bought your subscription today, it will end up after 1 month, so the 2nd of February, for example. So yeah, after that you will be in Evernote free plan without losing any data. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.